Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select security and lock screen and go to screen lock, so it's under device security. Now it's time to select the kind of lock screen that you would like to have, so it can be none, of course. It can be just swiping, so it's actually not the screen lock that will protect your phone. And also you can have the pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick, for example, the pin code. You must have remembered that your pin code must have at least 4 digits, and now it's time to enter it. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. You can tap on this icon if you would like to confirm the PIN without tapping accept icon, and tap on next. And now it's time to enter it one more time to confirm. Tap on confirm and decide if you would like to see all notification content, if you would like to hide sensitive content, or you won't see notifications at all. So let me pick the third option and tap on done. So as you can see, from now on you won't be able to unlock your device by swiping. You have to enter the PIN code. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the settings one more time, go to security and lock screen, open the screen lock, enter the one that you currently have, tap on next, and then pick, for example, swipe, yes, remove PIN code. And as you can see now, your device is not protected at all, and you can unlock it just by swiping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.